from the Austin Peay State University Writing Center. In this video, we'll be going over how to write a rhetorical analysis. Literary analysis examines how an author uses literary devices like symbolism, theme, and character development to convey meaning or evoke emotions, while a rhetorical analysis focuses on how an author uses strategies like ethos, pathos, logos, and kairos to persuade or influence an audience, emphasizing the text structure and context. A rhetorical analysis is the study of how a text elements work together to persuade an audience. It focuses on the strategies the author uses, such as the audience, purpose, and tone, rather than the content or topic itself. Read the text carefully and take notes. Look for author's main message, tone, and any points that stand out. For example, in Juliet's soliloquy in Act 2, Scene 2, when she says blank, she challenges the importance of blank. Understand the author's purpose. Think about why the author wrote the text. Are they trying to convince you of something, explain a concept, or entertain? This will help guide your analysis. For example, Shakespeare's purpose is to show the conflict between love and societal expectations, highlighting blank. Identify the appeals. Ethos, appeal to the writer's credibility. Pathos, appeal to emotion or the audience's value or beliefs. Logos, appeal to logic. And kairos, appeal to timeliness. Ethos, does the author show trustworthiness or expertise? Does the writer address other viewpoints? And how does the writer's word choice or tone affect how you view the writer? For example, Romeo and Juliet's love is presented as pure and noble, appealing to blank. Pathos. How does the author try to make you feel? Who is the target audience for the argument? And is the writer making any assumptions about the background, knowledge, values, and more of the audience? For example, the tragic ending aims to evoke blank. Logos. Does the author use facts or logic to support their argument? Does the writer's thesis make that purpose clear? Where in the text is the main argument stated? And how does that placement affect the success of the argument? For example, the characters make decisions based on their emotions, but their actions blank. Kairos. When and where was the argument originally presented? What circumstances may have motivated this argument? And what would an audience at this particular time understand about this argument? For example, Romeo and Juliet's decision to blank. Know your audience. Who is the audience the author is writing for? How does the author target this audience with their message and tone? For example, Shakespeare's original audience would be familiar with the concept of family loyalty, so blank. Look at the structure. Check how the text is organized. Does the structure make the argument clearer or more convincing? For example, the play follows a tight structure, starting with the public feud and building tension throughout. Blank. Examine the language. Notice the author's word choice. Are they formal, casual, emotional, or logical? How does this affect the tone and message? For example, Shakespeare uses poetic language in the form of iambic pentameter and metaphors, such as blank. So for your outline, you're going to start with an introduction, briefly introducing your topics such as ethos, logos, pathos, kairos, and more. And then for your body paragraphs, you'll break these down into individual paragraphs, such as one paragraph for kairos, one for structure, one for language, and more. And then in conclusion, you will summarize how the author used these strategies to achieve their goal. Thank you so much for listening to this presentation. If you have any further questions, please schedule an appointment with a writing tutor today. We also have other resources available on our website and YouTube channel. Thank you so much.